Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening and verifying your brokerage account. This proves your identity and enables trading. Once verified, link your bank and deposit funds so you can place live orders. Next, find the stock ticker you want and study the bid/ask spread and recent volume. This tells you liquidity. Now that you have money and a target, prepare a clear buy plan. How many shares, max price, and whether you need margin. This sets you up to place an informed order immediately. You now decide how to execute the trade. Choose a market order for immediate fill or a limit order to control price. Limit prevents unexpected slippage. Enter the exact share quantity, and if limiting, set your target price based on the bid/ask and your risk tolerance. Then pick time and force, day for today only, GTC to persist, or IOC to fill immediately or cancel. Make sure to review estimated fees and buying power. Once comfortable, submit the order to the exchange. After submission, confirm the order was received and watch for execution notifications. You may get a full or partial fill. Once filled, the position appears in your portfolio and settlement occurs on T+2, so funds and shares finalize in 2 business days. If the order doesn't fill, make small limit adjustments or switch to a market order if speed matters. Alternatively, contact your broker to check for trading halts or errors. Troubleshoot by comparing live quotes and order status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.